Let me start this video with a question. Did you also find your content strategy for the LinkedIn stressful, tired and the effortful? Then in this video, I'm going to give you a tool with the help of you can generate the hooks. You can find the best topics that is right now getting viral for your niches. You can get the carousels, you can get the content. And the best part, with this tool, you can also schedule all this content for your LinkedIn account effortlessly here. So not only it is going to help you generate the content, but it can also help you to schedule the content. So with this tool, you can turn your 30 days LinkedIn account content strategy in just few hours. So without wasting any more time, this is Basant here, and let me get started with this tool here. So this is the Scriptu, and you can use this tool to go viral on the LinkedIn with the AI powered content that will let you get noticed. Yes, it has also even the ad features available. So first, let me talk about what are the features you are going to get. It can generate the post for you, and that will be the really attention grabbing because it will generate the content around your niche that we are going to configure while setting up this platform for our account. Then you can also preview your post. You can turn or regenerate or improve that post here. It can also generate the images. It has the post styling options available. You can schedule the post. It has the viral post database that you have to just select the niche and it will start showing out. Then you can generate the LinkedIn carousels. We have the post strength and the readability. Although we put efforts while generating or creating the content, but we don't know what is the readability or how it is going to perform on your users reading analysis. Okay, so that thing you can also analyze here. We have also the connecting multiple LinkedIn accounts. Not only that, for your own account LinkedIn, but you can also use others LinkedIn account, and if you have the multiple LinkedIn accounts, you can connect in this platform and schedule the content for them as well. Then we have the content branding, multilingual post available, and chat with your post. You can use the AI to chat with your post, finding out the content out of it, or you want to just repurpose it, you can do that here. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let me give you the detailed tutorial and the demo of the features for this tool here. So this is how its dashboard look like, and right now on the dashboard you can see all the features and the tools you can use. You can even use the YouTube videos to turn them into your LinkedIn content. That way you are also repurposing your videos into the really great LinkedIn post here. And here's my best thing, that is the viral post sections. Okay, so here it is going to show you all the viral posts around your niches. Okay, so in the niche you have also the sub niches available, like you are in the business or the marketing, then there's the engagement, productivity, leadership, personal growth. So that is how it is going to show you the different sub niches or the topics around your niche. Okay, so right now let me go started with the lead generation here, and now it will start showing me the post around the different users who are getting the attention on their LinkedIn content. Okay, right now let me open this one, and you can see here's okay, so let me open this one and it will start getting me generating content here. Okay, so I have just selected that viral post and now it is just added here. But now what I have to do, I have to little bit improve it or make some customization. So don't worry, you don't have to any effort thing you have to do in the texting or the writing here. Okay, no worries, we have to just click here on the optimize post with AI, and now you can see copywriting tips, keep writing, add emojis. You can even improve post here. So I will just click here on the improve post, and now it will just start improving that post that I have just got from a different user that is getting the so many attention or engaging on that post here. Okay, so my post is ready here. So simply let me click here on the submit or copy, or you can just click here on the edit and post. Okay, so now it is ready. So okay, so everything is done here, and this is how this post is going to look like on your LinkedIn account. Okay, so I am also going a little step further. I don't know how this post is going to be in reading analysis, so I will simply click here on the post strength. Now it is going to measure this post content and help me to understand whether I need to do some changes in terms of the engagement, readability or emotional appeal. Okay, so I got the ratings here. So I got the excellent overview here. Now you can see the engagement score is 7, readability is the 8. That is really good. It is right now near to the 10. Okay, it is going to score you out of 10. So I got really good here. Now what I can do, here are some of the suggestions I am getting, like I need to also add a good hook here or call to action and the engagement strategy. Okay, so these three things I need to add. So first let me close this one, post analysis, and now again click here on the optimize post with the AI, and this time I'm going to create a hook. Okay, so simply click here on the create a hook, and now it is going to find a hook for me. Okay, this is the hook it is generated for me. So simply copy it, close this one, and now I just got the hook, so I'm going to simply paste it here. Okay, so that's how I even got the hook. Really good here. Okay, so once that is the thing, it is good and ready to post, I will simply click here on the save post, and now click here on the schedule post. Okay, so I can either post it now or schedule it for the later time or the later or upcoming days. Okay, so I have to just select the date and time here. For example, let me open this calendrical view, and I can go to the tomorrow. Okay, and I can select the time, and everything is done here. Let me minimize a little bit. Okay, so I have selected everything, so let me close this one and click here on the schedule post. Okay, now my post is scheduled here. Okay, so that is how you can use its viral post to turning it for your own content. Okay, so this is only the one feature I have showed you, but I have many features to show you, like it's LinkedIn carousel generator. So if I go to here, and this is the right now good feature I have found it here, although its carousel generator is not that much of the advanced, but still it can give you the less efforts and save your time here. Okay, so only you have to either enter your topic, or you can select the features, like you can add the website URL, YouTube video URL, or the documents you can upload, or either if you have the free text you can paste it here. It will turn them into the carousel. So I will go with the topic. Okay, and after that, like I want to create a carousel around the local SEO. Okay, so simply I have just added my topic. I suggest you to enter your topic in detail so it can understand the better kind of the content you want to generate with it. Okay, so now let's click here on the generate carousel, and now within the few seconds you will see that I will got my carousel here. It is still generating the content. So you have to just wait for, I think, the 10 or 20 seconds. Under the 30 seconds I will get my content here. Okay, so let's wait few more seconds here, and yeah, you can see I got the content here. Although you can see I have just given my not that much of the detailed targeted topic, still I got the results here, and look at how this is going to look like here. Okay, so still I need to add the images and the few more things, like I didn't like this colors of the carousel. So what I can do, I can go to the styling, click here on the this color themes, and now I have the different color pattern available. Okay, so I can select either this one, this looks really good here. I can select also this one. Okay, I like this one here. So now I can click here on this save, and now I need to also add the images or the some icons, so I can add that. You can see this is the add photos. So here you can upload the icons, images. There's also the photo library available. You can search, and there's also the AI image section available. Okay, so you have to just enter your keyword that you want to add in that carousel. So simply click here generate, and now it is going to generate the image that you can use in your carousels. Okay, so right now it is generating. Again, it can take few seconds, but sometimes it's also take a little more extra seconds because it is generating the image, and I know that getting your really relevant image is a little bit tricky, so that's why we have to wait. Yeah, I got this one, so let me see how this look like. Let me select this one, and now it is uploading in my carousel. So let's see what are the results. I'm really excited for it. Yeah, it is loaded here, and you can see this is the image. I can drag and drop here. Okay, so I can also resize it. Okay, this is how, or I can even make it rounded. Okay, this is rounded here. This is the rounded rectangular, and this is the pointed rectangular or the square, what you can see here. Okay, so I will go with this, the rounded rectangular I have added here. Okay, so that's how you can use, or you can also select the text here, and then you can make it big or small. You can change the font style, you can make it bold. If you want to change the color, you can do it here. So this is how you are even going to styling your carousels here. So everything is done. Let me click here on the save here, or what I can do, I can download it as the PDF. Later I can use whatever the purpose I want, or I can simply click here on the create post, and now in the creating the post, I can schedule this carousel or post into direct into my LinkedIn account here. Okay, so you can see I have just connected my LinkedIn account, or I have just created my account with the LinkedIn account is my connected here. Basically this platform lets you log in only with your LinkedIn account. Okay, so right now it is done here. I can add the caption, and it is still loading the carousel here. Okay, so I can write the caption, or I can use its AI to write the caption for me, and this is how it look like. Let me scroll a little bit. Okay, So I have done with my carousel, and simply now I can click here on the schedule post, and now it will be scheduled on my desired time. Okay, so this is how its carousel work here. Now we have also the AI generators available that is going to generate the content for your topics that you are going to enter for your website URLs. Simply add the URL of your website or any other article or the content piece on the internet. It will turn them into the LinkedIn content. Then I can also use the YouTube videos. I can upload my documents, free text, and there's also the hook generator available. So that is also a good feature available. Simply add your hook topic idea that you want to generate around it. Then click here on the generate, and now it will give you the few options that you can use as the hooks. Yeah, I have the hooks ready right now. So you can see I got this one, I got the 5 variations here, and I can select any of these ones. Simply let me copy or click here on the use this hook, and that will be used in my content here. Okay, so these are all the features you are going to see in this platform. Now let me talk about the pricing of this Scriptu platform, because the platform is good, and let's see what is the pricing here. So it's pricing starting from this like almost $18 per month, and here you will get the 50k words that you are going to use for AI words generation or content generation, or the 10 AI images per month here. Okay, and all the features I have showed you, you can access it here. So what if this is the same plan you can get with the one-time payment that is called the lifetime deal, and right now it is available on the app. So starting from the just $59, and this plan lets you get the same features like the 50,000 words and the 10 images generator and all the features I have showed you. Like we are just giving the 3 times more of here of the monthly price, but we are getting the lifetime access. We don't have to pay the every month or the every year. Just pay the one-time payment and you can get this amazing tool for your LinkedIn content strategy. And right now you are getting understand, if you are going to get just invest few hours in this platform while generating the content, finding the post for your niche, say, then you can generate for the 30 days content in just few hours. It can save you huge time, huge efforts, and get you the really good content that is reasonable to get viral on your LinkedIn profile here. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I want to talk about, if you want to check it out, the Scriptu lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description. And if you have still any questions around the LinkedIn marketing, cold outreaching, lead generation, or any other AI tools or the software, just let me know in the comments. I can suggest you, I can help you. That's all. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.